Good morning, I'm Patrick with Remax Heritage, and thank you for joining us for the next installment on the inspection series with A-Action Realty Inspection Group and Brian Murphy. Good morning, Brian. Thank you for joining me.
Yes.
In our last segment, we talked about the structural portion of the inspection report. Today, we're going to talk about the electrical. Brian, what are some of the most important things that you can point out about the electrical segment of the inspection report?
Well, with it being the next section of the property inspection report, and we cover a lot of things on electrical. A lot of people don't really think much about their electrical. They just walk in the house, they flip on a switch, and the lights come on. And so there are lots of important things about the electrical system that should really be addressed. With home inspectors being regulated by the Texas Real Estate Commission, we're required to call things out whether it's as-built or not. So there's things that we add to the property inspection report, whether the house is 60 years old, 100 years old, or built last week. And we talk about things like ground fault circuit interrupters, arc fault circuit interrupters, and proper bonding of the electrical system. We address all the electrical system from where it enters the home through the panels and all the way down to all the outlet switches and fixtures.
Okay, perfect. And you were talking about the standards from the past to what they are now. One of those things would be the GFI switches that you have to call out even though when the home was built, it wasn't
correct.
Standard. Okay.
So what we do is we just bring it to the consumer's awareness or bring it to their attention that there are new safety devices out there. They don't necessarily have to ask the seller to install, but the home inspector is required to let them know that they may or may not be in these certain locations. Sort of like ground fault circuit interrupters. They're required to be in all of the wet, damp areas. So it's all exterior, all garage, all kitchen countertops, all bathrooms, around wet bars and those type of locations.
Okay. Great information. Now, what would you say is the hottest topic right now?
Right now, the hottest topic is grounding and bonding of the corrugated stainless steel tubing, or also known as CSST. I have a sample for us today. So this is a gas distribution system that was started to be installed in homes around 2000. Between 2000 and 2009, they were bonded, or some people call it grounded, just like the old galvanized gas lines as well. They started finding that there are problems with indirect or direct lightning strikes near the home, that this fails sometimes and gets pinholes in it. You get small pinhole gas leaks in them. So since 2009, they start requiring the bonding or an extra bonding to help lower the potential. So if you're aware that you have this type of gas lines in your home, prior to 2009, it probably wouldn't be a bad idea to have it further evaluated to make sure that they're properly grounded or properly bonded back to the electrical system to help lower the potential of pinhole leaks occurring with indirect lightning strikes.
Well, that's great information as always, Brian. Thank you again for joining me.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you've enjoyed this segment on the inspection series. Look for me again Monday for Mortgage Monday, Tuesday for Title Tuesday. Thanks again and have a great day.